Hello, my name is Agustn de la Guardia. My first name starts with an A and my last name starts with a D. So today I've decided to play Astroids. So the game was originally made by Atari and it was made in 1979. So what this game basically is that you're a spaceship in outer space and you're shooting asteroids. What I really like about this game is that it's basically just you moving around, and when you move in one direction, it'll keep you going in that direction. You use every other button you use the left and right to move which direction you want to go, and then forward to move wherever you would like to move forward to. But you'll keep going unless you use your forward button to move in another direction. Now, the whole point of this game is to basically complete the level by destroying all the asteroids in the level. The bigger asteroids are basically going to become smaller when you shoot it and divide into two smaller ones. I found this game really interesting. At first I thought it wasn't that great, but I'm having a lot of fun just shooting at asteroids and blowing it up and just trying to complete the levels. Now, this game might seem really simple to you guys, but it was originally made by Atari, and they made $150 million off of this game, and people who owned arcades that had hosted it and through coins alone made $500 million in total. You have 4 lives to start out with, so I'm down to my last one, and I am just really bad at shooting. Now, if the asteroids move in one direction and they go off screen, they'll appear at the opposite side of the screen. I have to make sure that these guys don't hit me, because I'm down to my last life. So after I shoot this last one, I'll go to the next level. Every asteroid I hit gives me more points. The whole point of the game is to get as much points as you can. And just to survive. I think it's just best to just shoot and ooh, I'm almost done. No! I lost the game. But it was so exciting, just keep moving forward and shooting and just trying to survive all that. It's really tough when your controls are, when you don't have complete control of your vehicle like I did. I did not. What else? I am just gonna try another game and see how I fare in that. Oh, I also forgot to mention that the designers for this game were Ed Logg and Lyle Rains. They were the original designers of the game, and I believe, from what I read when I did research about the game, was that they were just looking for a game that people could just shoot at rocks and have rocks explode, and yeah, that's the basic functionality of this game. Yeah, for some reason I've heard that like sometimes your ship will just go into hyperspace and just disappear and end up somewhere else on the map. I don't know if that's a button I'm pressing or if that just happens randomly, but if you had noticed earlier in that video, I just got saved by that. And I'm just gonna keep moving forward. I just gotta get that last asteroid. And I'm down to my last life. Let's see if I can do anything more. Oh my gosh, I died. Well, this is all I have for my Let's Play right now. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.